Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on DICE streams. To invite friends on DICE streams, first of all, go ahead and open up the DICE Streams app on your device, and from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see Invite Friends button. Simply tap on it and then click on the Invite button. You can then go ahead and tap on the copy button at the bottom to copy your invitation link. Now, go ahead and choose any messaging platform such as Messenger, WhatsApp, or email. I'm just going to open up Messenger over here. Now you can simply go ahead and open up any messaging application and then select a contact you'd like to invite. In the message thread, paste in the link that you just copied and send it to the contact. Once your friend accepts and start playing, you both get free rewards like dice rolls and coins. So that is how you can easily invite friends on DICE streams. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.